look at it.
God, if you listen in the distance, there's actually people doing it too.
Can we?